Every student's been there. You've been staring at the same page for 20 minutes. You're not even learning anymore, but you didn't even realize it.
Your body picks this up way before your brain does. That's why we built something that listens to your body instead of your brain. Introducing Lucid.
All you do is open Lucid, pick a subject, and start studying. But here's what's different. Lucid is watching you back. Here's the setup. Your phone sits on your desk and points at your face. It then connects to your laptop over the network and streams real-time biometric data. The phone is then running Presage's Smart Spectra SDK, which is a validated computer vision pipeline that extracts vitals straight from the video. Right now it's picking up my pulse, my breathing pattern, my facial expressions, my blink rate, all of it. Contactless. Then it uses all that information to calibrate your personal baseline, and then the session starts. Lucid then runs your study material through a fine-tuned Quen model that generates a breakdown of the topic, pulls out key concepts, and builds your session around them, which you can also use to clarify upon. You can scroll through different flashcards with your arrow keys or your mouse and reveal the answers by simply clicking on them. On the side, you can see everything in real time: heart rate, breathing rate, HRV, or blink rate. Every second, Lucid is reading your physiology and running it through our cognitive state engine. You can also see your current state on the top right, as well as different music options on the right side as well. When you're stressed, you can also pull up a guided breathing reset, and this is the best part. The waveform on your screen, that's your actual breath, in real time from Presage. You're literally watching your own nervous system calm down. When you end the session, Lucid gives you a full biometric study report. When you peaked, what topics spiked your stress, your average heart rate, your best focus window, and your heart rate compared to your breathing. And a recommendation for when and what to study next, all powered by the local Quen model that we fine-tuned, analyzing your biometric patterns.
Every student has a phone camera.
Nobody has a biometric study coach.
That's Lucid.